We're going too fast. Look at my hair. Whoa! Wow, I don't know. Like nature is really God's gift to us. It's very beautiful. It's amazing. And I'm really happy I'm here in Iceland right now with my friends from high school. Good morning, it's day 5 today, and today is gonna be a long drive. I think one of the longest drives in this tour. I'm so excited because today we're gonna be doing the amphibian glacier boat tour, and we're heading there. And then later we're gonna be driving along the coast, and we're gonna be seeing fjords and hopefully wonderful landscapes. We still have 20 minutes before we need to check in for the tour, so we're just gonna roam around, take some photos, amazing view. And
Amazing photos. We're not just photos, guys. Amazing photos. Up close and personal with the glaciers. Ayan na siya.
this is
Alam
our
mo, pinafigure out ko, ito ba bato-bato na ano?
glacier shot.
Isang buong tipak ng yelo yan.
They opened exactly at 8:50, and we already confirmed our tickets. We're gonna be taking the Zodiac boat, which can accommodate 10 passengers. And I just noticed that they already posted there that it's already fully booked. So probably that's one of the most popular tours here around the glacier. So if you are planning to do that, you have to book it online well ahead of time. They gave us this overall. It's quite heavy. We're gonna be wearing this on top of our clothes. Need to remove my shoes. Okay, life vest ready.
Wait, let's get on.
We had a short tour briefing. Now we're going to the boat, Zodiac boat, and we're all excited. There's just gonna be 10 passengers on each boat, and then one captain. We're
I
starting
also
our
want to
tour.
charge it here on my phone if you guys have any questions. Okay. The lagoon is really quiet today, so if you want to end up in the water, you need to try your best.
Oh. Whoa! It's fast. Oh my god!
Oh my God!
Whoa, we're going so fast! Woo! Wow.
Okay, stop testing.
You're going too fast. Look at my hair. Woo. Oh! So much fun. Wow. You can see black, blue, and white. Wow. Woo. Gosh. My gosh, so fast. We just heard and saw a glacier fell to the water. Wasn't able to capture it. We heard another iceberg fall to the water. We just saw the splash. We didn't see it. It's coming from that place, that same place. It's just maybe 2 or 3 minutes apart.
So in most tours, I don't see anything. Most of the tours, barely anything happens. So this is more than what I usually see up here. Usually I hear it from the parking lot and then we see the aftermath.
Thank you.
So
Okay.
I hope you enjoy the experience and enjoy the rest of your time in Sweden. Thank you.
Lamig. Wearing my gloves. It was fine. I didn't expect. Oh my god. Grabe. Hindi ako makasalita. I did not expect it to be super fast. Alright, we're done with the tour. I really enjoyed this experience. My face is still cold. I didn't expect the boat to be super fast in the water.
Super cold.
Yeah, it's super cold. Everything that's not covered was super cold. Had to wear gloves at some point in time.
When you're there already, you don't feel anything, but you just appreciate the beauty of the
We're
beach.
just enjoying a light snack here and having a vegetarian pizza and an orange juice. Ganda, we started our day really, really fun and nice. I enjoyed the tour. Not bad. We're having lunch. This is my lunch. Chicken soup of the day, and some crispy chicken with fries and salad. Naantok ako, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. We still have a long way to go. 3 hours of driving still. I don't know if you can see it, but there are Icelandic reindeers out there. Good thing we were able to stop here. There's a shoulder. Actually, this looks like an entrance to the farm. We have arrived here at the Cascading Waterfalls. I'll put the name somewhere here. And we had a magical journey leading to this waterfalls. We went through the snowy mountains and there's just like thick snow, and it was very, very magical. And now we get to enjoy the view of the Cascading Waterfalls. Okay, wow. I just flew the drone and took some drone shots, and now we're gonna be going as close as we can to the waterfalls. I can't believe this experience is so magical. We are the only ones here in this area right now. So this is all to ourselves. And wow, I don't know. Like nature is really God's gift to us. It's very beautiful. It's amazing. And I'm really happy I'm here in Iceland right now with my friends from high school. My friends are already there. Wow, we're so close. Oh, wow, oh my God. Wow, we're so close to this waterfall. Wow, wow, amazing. Grabe. We're just doing a quick stop over here because you can see the snow and the mountains. Wow, it's amazing. It's 8:15 in the evening and the sun is still out. And it's just a magical experience to be here, seeing the snow, seeing the mountains, and just enjoying whatever Iceland has to offer.